Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kekawag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945, Part 6. So in Part 6, Chapter 3, Provision related to import, classes of drug prohibited to import, import of drug under licenses, specified in Schedule C, C1, specified in Schedule X, imported for test analysis, imported for personal use, and any new drug is exempted from provision of import, offenses and penalties related to import, cosmetic prohibited to import. So, provision to the Act related to import, manufacturing, sale, labeling, and packaging. So, let's begin with Chapter 3, Import of Drugs and Cosmetics. So, provisions for import of drugs include classes of drug prohibited to import, import of drug under licenses specified in Schedule C, C1, specified in Schedule X, imported for test analysis, imported for personal use, any new drug exempted from provisions of import, offenses, and penalties. Classes of drug prohibited to import: misbranded drug, drug of substandard quality, drug claiming to cure a disease specified in Schedule J, adulterated drug, spurious drug, drugs whose manufacturer, sale, distribution are prohibited in original country except for the purpose of the test, examination and analysis, patent proprietary medicines whose true formula is not disclosed. Import of the biological drug, C1. Condition to be fulfilled: licensee must have adequate facility for the storage, licensee must maintain a record for the sale, licensee must allow an inspector to inspect premises and to check the records, licensee must furnish the sample to the authority, licensee must not sell drugs from which sample is withdrawn, and he is advised not to sell and recall the batch from the market. So, import of the Schedule X drug, narcotic and psychotropic substance. So, provisions for this, the condition to be fulfilled: licensee must have adequate storage facility, applicant must be reputable in the occupation, trade or business, the licensee license must granted even before, should not be suspended or cancelled. The licensee has not been convicted any offence under the Drug and Cosmetic Act or Narcotic and Psychotropic Substance Act. So, drug imported for examination, test or analysis. Condition to be fulfilled under the provision: license is necessary under Form 11. Must use imported drug only for said purposes and at the place specified in the license. Must keep the record with respect to quantities, name of the manufacturer and date of import. Must allow an inspector to inspect the premises and check the record. Drug imported for personal use. Condition to be fulfilled under this provision: up to 100 average doses may be imported without any permit, provided it is a part of passenger's luggage. More than 100 doses imported with license and that requires license. More than 100 doses. Apply on the form number 12A and 12B. Drug must be bona fide personal use. Drugs must be declared to the custom collector if so directed. Import of drug without licenses. Substances not used for medical purposes. Drug in Schedule C1 required for manufacturing and not for medicinal use. Substances which are both drugs and foods such as condensed or powder milk, malt, lactose, farrex or cereals, oats, pre-digested foods, ginger, pepper, cumin, cinnamon. So that not required licenses for import. Penalties related to import. So this is offenses and penalties related to import. Offenses: if import of spurious or adulterated drug or drug which involve risk to human being or animals, a drug not having therapeutic value. Penalties include 3 years of imprisonment and 5,000 rupees fine, or on the first conviction, 5-year imprisonment or 1,000 rupees fine, or both on the subsequent conviction. Contravention of the provision related to this act: 6 months of imprisonment or 500 rupees fine, or both for the first conviction, 1 year imprisonment or 1,000 rupees of fine for the subsequent conviction. Cosmetics prohibited to import: misbranded cosmetic, spurious cosmetic, cosmetic contain harmful ingredient, cosmetic not of standard quality, which contain cosmetic which contain more than 2 ppm arsenic, 20 ppm lead, 100 ppm heavy metal. So these are prohibited for import. Thank you so much.